Okay, we're doing string modification members now, and I'm going to run this, and you'll see that what we were using before is still there. This will be in the example code in Blackboard. So first thing I'm going to do is clear this string. Right now it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, and if I step over that, you'll see now it's empty. But if I hover over it, you'll also see while its size is 0, the number of characters it's storing. The capacity is still 63 because it was storing, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, with all the extra space that it had allocated. To get rid of that extra allocation, we use shrink to fit. So step over that, and now let's look at A, string A. Now its capacity is 15, the minimum it could shrink to. Okay. Now we have substring. Substring is going to grab part of a string from starting at one location for so many characters. So this is going to grab from string C, which was, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, and it's going to grab from position 26, which is actually, if you come over here, 26 is it right there, and it'll grab all the way up to foolishness. So do this, and now what's here? It was the age of foolishness. Okay, so I grab the substring of string C from here, this many characters. Now, positionally, you can manipulate characters. So you could use this because this would equal a character, the 18th character, which would be the F in foolishness, because this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's the F in foolishness. Okay. Oops. Not what I wanted. Oh, wait. And so now I'm going to make it equal to P. So again, I got to do this. And now let's look at the string, and it was the age of foolishness, which doesn't really make too much sense. So I'm going to go in and change, and I didn't use the right thing. I wanted to use this, so wait a second. Let's come here, and I don't want to use at, I want to use this. The subscript operator. You can either use this one or this one, it doesn't really matter. So let me run that again. And clear that, do that, do that, do that. Now it should be the age of foolishness. And now I'm going to change the 19th character, which would be the O in foolishness, to an H. But I'm going to use the subscript operator. And now I've got the age of foolishness, right? I could also erase parts of the string. So from position 7, 11 characters. So position 7 is the, and for 11 characters, it's going to go all the way up to that space. And now I have it was foolishness. Okay, so I erase those positions. And then the last thing is I could replace characters as well. And you'll notice that this is position and how many things I want to remove and what I'm going to replace it with. Okay, you'll notice that this is, I'm removing 4, but I'm adding in 5. The sizes don't have to be the same. Okay, and if I had left this empty, it would have been like doing an erase, but that wouldn't have been really very efficient. Erase is more efficient than replace. So at position 7, which is where the P in poolishness is. I'm going to get rid of 4 characters, which would be the P-H-O-L, and I'm going to replace it with ghoul. And now it was ghoulishness. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do for this one. It was a rather quick one. Okay, you should play with this.